Welcome to my YouTube channel, Softworldlink. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how to write text in iClone. See this text I wrote in iClone. For this task, we will use Blender software, which is an open-source software that you can download for free. Go to Add and click on Text. See the text being displayed. Go to Edit mode and edit the text. Now you write the text. Go to Object mode. Go to the text property. Click on Font. Here you can change the font. Select Geometry. Here to increase the thickness of the extrude. Right-click and click Convert to and then click Mesh. Save the file in FBX format. See the file showing, open it in iClone. See text showing in iClone. If you want to change its color, you can do that too. You can also add textures. Hope the tutorial will be helpful for you guys. Subscribe to the channel to see more such iClone videos. Thanks for watching the video.